like some Japanese barbecue? So recently my cousin treated me to some gyubi or gyubi and we ordered to our heart's content. Thanks, cuz, love you. So while we were there, we ordered a variety of different side dishes, different vegetables, and we had a very cute time. We got meats, we got lamb, we got beef tongue, we also got takoyaki, which was also a very cute time, super delicious. And there's these fried rice dough balls, which were also very hot and delicious. And in addition to that, when we ended, we had some creme brulee, which was fire. And then there's this citrus yuzu mousse that refused to stay on my stick, but was also yummy.